Hi, it's Dev here again, and in this video we're going to do some straight multiplication and some copying down. You'll see that in this cell I just have a plain number. Let's just make it a general number, and what I really want to get is the price of this product after it's been marked up by 20%. If I ever want to make a formula, I type in equals. Now, this amount here is, if I click on it, I get its reference, which is E4. I'm then going to multiply, which is star on a spreadsheet, by the percentage, and enter will allow me to put that value in. You'll see that it's formatted it with the Pokemon dollar sign at the end. That's not really what I want. So what I can do is come over here, copy this format. Took a bit of mucking around to get the dollar sign in front. So I'm just going to copy it, and then it gets the dollar sign in front. Now, I probably should emphasize that this 20%, if it was a general number, would be 0.2. So a lot of people, when they're doing a percentage, will put in 20%. If they then convert that to a percentage, we'll get 2,000. So remember that percentage is really just a decimal of 0.2. Once that's done, if I mouse over the bottom corner and get that small black cross, I can copy that all the way down. It's certainly much quicker than getting out my calculator. Now, we then say, we've got a problem here. This is just 20% of that, and we really want it to be an increase of 20%. So we don't just want to be multiplying by F4, we want to be multiplying by 120%. In other words, 1 plus. Now, if I were to just do 1 plus, then I would be adding 1 to E4 and then adding on the 20%. I must have brackets. So a calculator would do your order of operations for you. But this, in some ways, a little bit dumb, it doesn't know that it's got to do the multiply first. It doesn't know that it's got to do the plus first until you put brackets around it. Now, when we copy all those down, we see that each value has gone up. You know, here if we've got 100% markup, that's double the price. So, now I'll just show you one more trick with copy down while we're here. You'll notice that each of these cells is increased by 1. Oh, I've got a problem getting that right-hand corner because of the images that are in the second column. So I'm just going to come over to this column over here for a minute. Paste. If I grab that bottom right-hand corner, it'll take these numbers up by 1 automatically. If that was a 2, delete. If that was a 5, and you can see the difference here is 2, then it'll go up in pairs. Now, I don't really care what my barcode numbers are, so I'm going to keep going and then paste them back in over to the side. My only problem at the side there was that because the images are right close to the edge of the field, I couldn't get to the little black cross. Okay, I don't want a number in there, backspace. Alright, I'm going to delete that column completely, and that'll do us for this video.